Guys, it's your girl Mina, and I'm gonna be making slime. I know, like, what are you doing without your friend? Well, she's at her house. Well, she's at her house. I don't know what she's doing, but she's at her home. So I'm gonna be making slime again, since the other video was an epic fail, which I deleted. So if you guys are trying to look for that, I'm telling you, I deleted it. So first I'm going to be pouring in this glue, but I'm not going to do it by the time. And, yeah, and look at that. Nobody! Just video myself. Ew, leave it. Yeah. I'm making something. Yeah. I got glue on my hands. Now I'm going to be adding the glue. That's fun. All the way over here. I'm going to move up a little closer so you guys can see me. I caught you. I caught my mother recording me. Because she heard me say, "Hi guys, it's your girl." I'm going to get you back for that, woman.
You want some milk right now?
Not yet. I think I need a lot more than that. And I caught your video. I never do that again. The video myself. Save me. Alone. There's no.
Don't put so much. You have to give it full.
No, I got it. Oh. Hey, Mommy, I'm gonna go wash off my glue. I'll be back. Wash that out. Okay. Then wash it with glue. Back. Now I'm just gonna open my pieces. I was gonna use flour, but I didn't think that was gonna work, Mom. You think that was gonna work? I'm not gonna be using food coloring. I don't know, I might. Oopsies, I just ruined it. I just ruined it! And that's okay. Get this thing open. Open the darn thing. Thank you. Thank you, baking soda. Now open. Now open. Oh. See how that looks? Look how cool that looks. And wherever you get the glue, you could even go to Walmart if you live by Walmart. If you don't, you could go to Food Town where I live. Sometimes my neighbor takes me inside. And if you guys have Musical.ly or Flipagram, you could follow me.